my cell phone. No, it's broken. You broke it.
Wait!
Could you please tell me, where's the nearest cell phone store?
On Mr. Page. Right on Royal, and it's 6 blocks down on your left.
Okay. I'll give anyone $10,000 if they can fix my phone.
Perhaps, sir, we could interest you in a newer model.
I don't want a newer model.
On the house, I'm the store manager. Why don't you step into my office? A little more privacy. It's fixed. I'll give you some privacy and you can check for yourself.
April 9th, one saved message.
Hardly. It's me.